Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be back testing. So yeah, let's get right into it. New session, sub, please. I need it badly. Okay. So I'm literally going to just be back testing my strategy. So if you want to know how I trade, well, I mean, this is honestly a very, oh, wait, I can just do random. Yeah, there you go. Guys know I'm not faking it now, huh? Nah, but honestly though, what year are we in though? 25. Okay, not bad. Yeah, so it's just to show my strategy, show how I trade. I want to say so-called strategy, but yeah. Okay, first thing, coming into the day. What the hell? Coming into the day, what are we doing? Okay, so we have a new week opening. Actually, let's just go to open first. So coming into the day, what are we seeing? We have a swing high up here. We have relative equals. We also have this fair value gap on the daily. This is a strong draw on liquidity. Okay, let's see 4 hour. What are we doing on 4 hour? 4 hour, 4 hour. We just closed this. So we are bullish. We are obviously very bullish so far. Hourly, we look bullish. Go down to the 15. What are we doing? Okay, yeah, we are freaking just bullish, bro. We're just not bullish. Who said we're bullish, bro? Come on. Okay, if we can get a retrace into said zone, which we low-key just got right now. I wouldn't mind shorts if we can cheap this out. This is such an ass entry. That's break even, obviously, because we swept out the slow. There we go. All right, nice. Starting off the video strong. Wrong bias, but we ended up taking out these Asia lows. Okay, it's already 11 o'clock, so let's go to new session. Let's do this. Daily. What are we doing? I said daily. What are we doing? Okay, so we have this new week opening gap that got open. That's not even a new week. Yeah, it is a new week opening gap. I don't know why it's not including Sunday. Anyways. So this is definitely targets. We could move lower to fulfill it. Okay, let's go 4 hour. What are we doing 4 hour? 4 hour, 4 hour. What are we doing 4 hour? Pushing lower. Definitely want to take this gap out. That's for sure. For sure, skis. Let's go to the hourly. What are we doing on the hourly? Yeah, we are bearish so far. Except out the slow. Low key might have a rejection. Higher. Yeah. Might have that push higher. I was not surprised. Why? Just because London consolidated, so New York, whatever session we sweep out first, which is London low, we're gonna have the distribution. That's why I said low key. Ah, perfect. EQ of the range of Z range. Give me entry now. If we can fulfill this, I wouldn't mind it. I wouldn't really call that a fill. I would call that a fill though. Okay, you guys are gonna say, oh, you're longing against the fair value gap. Yeah, I know. But the second we tap inside that fair value gap, I'm going break even. Like that. Risk-free trade. So either we disrespect it and just say, fuck your mother and push higher, or yeah, obviously we're gonna TP. Duh, bro. Duh. So we respected that 15. We're at EQ of the range. Came down. We're on the 5-minute. We had that inversion. We had that manipulation, which is so nice. 11 o'clock. New day. Let's go. 2 for 2. 2 for 2. Go back to the daily. What are we doing? Daily, daily, daily. Give me the bias. Daily. What are we saying? So we still have this new week opening gap. We didn't fulfill it completely. So there's still some money left on the table over there. Daily's not really telling me anything, bro. You're low-key letting me down. All right, let's go down to the... Okay, 5 minutes into the video. We're actually doing pretty good. 4 hour. What are we doing? Respecting bullish. Respecting bullish. Not really telling me much either. Okay, nice. I love that. Bullish. That's not a swing. Okay. Just looking at session profile then, I guess. We consolidated again. We took out these highs, so most likely I have a push lower. Not really the best draws on liquidity. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. We're just not going to do anything, are we? Huh? Yeah, we're pushing higher. Okay. So we're just going to... We're going to respect the higher time frame, I guess. I don't like this. No, I want shorts. I'm sticking to my original bias. We can get an entry though. We're gonna fulfill it. Kinda, but we had that quick rejection, so. You don't really get an entry though. Yeah, I'm just sped for wanting to even take a trade there. Okay. Daily, what are we doing? Daily, we're still pushing higher. We want to take out that swing. We want to take out that swing. Okay. 4 hour. Bro, why did it bring me to such a shitty day, bro? I don't like this. I don't like the, what do you call it? I don't like price action, PA. We're respecting this though, so. Yeah, we're just gonna continue pushing higher then today, I guess. Gonna push higher, yeah. Come on, baby, push! Push! Oh my god, bro, what is this price action? Oh, it's December. Oh my god. No shit. Price action's bad. Okay, if we tap in. Just give me a tap. 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 Oh my god, bro. Okay, we're still looking for higher price, obviously. Okay, come on. I'm gonna push lower. I don't really like sells, honestly. I think we should be longing here. If we can take out internal liquidity. Do as Papi says. Ah! Give me that. Give me that. Oh, it's so easy, man. Just so easy, so easy. So easy. I should have actually been break even already. Whatever. That was just so obvious, bro. We literally 1 hour tap, took out internal low. Whatever, bro. Got stop rated. I don't care. Give me that. Come on. Don't be shy. Almost 11 o'clock. Oh! Opa! Opa! Give me that. Give me an entry. Give me an entry. Come on. Don't do this to me. Still have potential. You still have potential. Still have potential. Yeah, I'll take it. I was a 5 though. I'm on the 5 already. Dumbass. Yeah, I'll take that. Butter. Butter. It's already 11 o'clock. Let's go. Next session. Bro, I'm actually banging them out. I'm actually banging them out. Okay. Daily on this shitty PA. Let's see. Ooh, we are bearish. We are bearish, son. We are bearish. We are so bearish. Oh my god. 10 o'clock is really going to be the truth teller over here, but we can tap here. Yeah, if we can tap here. Easy, easy, easy shorts. That's tough. This is a tough decision. Okay, thank you. Thank you for deciding it for me already. Thank you. Okay, so hourly. Oh, we still have 22 minutes. I don't know why we'd want to be bullish here. I don't know why we'd want to be bullish here. We respected it. Look at that. Respected that 15. What about the hourly? We're wicking it. Oh my god, we're wicking it. Oh my god, this is so nice. Come on, give it to me. Give me an entry. Give me a reason to enter here. Call me crazy. We close this, I'm taking it. 2 minutes. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Yeah, perfect 1-to-1 reason. Let's go. Pop, 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 pop. Break even. Pop, 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 pop. That's crazy. We just chop around. We just chop around. Yeah, of course. Of course, it's gonna take my damn TP, bro. Not the best price action for that, but it's all right. You get the point. 13 minutes. Okay, 13 minutes. Okay. All right. 13 minutes. Wicking right off of that. It's so beautiful. Still on a downtrend. Still on a downtrend. Still on a downtrend. Still on a downtrend. Oh my god, are we downing? Downer downers. Downy downer. 15, right? Right, we're on the 15. EQ, right? EQ? Obviously EQ. Why am I even drawing them out, bro? Give me an entry. I missed my entry. It's kind of a shitty entry though, because this is already supposed to be my break even. That's why it's supposed to be my break even. I can't even count that, bro. That's so annoying. This should have been my entry, if anything. Yeah. Anyways, whatever. Move on. That's why I go break even at market structure shifts, because of stuff like this. All right, I'm gonna end it here actually. If you guys like this video, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to live trade with me and I teach you the strategy one-on-one in my mentorship, I have like 10 hours of plus of pre-recorded videos. I have just a bunch of info, bro. Psychology videos, strategy videos, lesson videos, one-on-one calls, pretty much unlimited calls. So pretty goated. If you are interested, in the description, if you want some discounts to affiliate, not affiliate, to funded accounts, I'm affiliated with them. Yeah, link down below. Yeah, peace.